Hello guys, this is Vinian again. Today we will talk about how to improve our heroes. Before I will start, I just want to pinpoint some tips to you. First of all, the heroes that you have, you should know each one of them has a different power. What that means is, every hero has a color. We have the white, green, blue and purple, then the orange, and this is go higher sequentially with the power. The other thing that you should know, every single color there are three kind of power to the hero. What that means is the hero can be inferior or common or superior. For example, my Duke hero is a superior. You can see here it says superior. There is another type which is less powerful than this one. It will be the common hero. Then the least one with the strength is the inferior hero. But you should know that the Duke inferior hero are more powerful than the superior Marquise. So the color is also taken in the calculation. The other thing that you should know about the hero is, if you remember my first tutorial, I talked about three kind of races. Imperial races or human races, orc races like my hero, or the chaos races. Every one of these three kind of races have different capability regarding to the hero power. What that mean? For the Imperial hero, like the one that I have, the Marquise, and by the way this is for the all colors. What I want to say is the hero of the human race has focusing power on the power and stamina. What that means is this hero, the attack power and the stamina of the hero, the health of the hero, is the most strong in all the divisions of the hero items. The other one is the orc. The orc focus power like my hero, this one, agility and stamina. And the third one, the chaos hero, focuses power on the power and the agility. What that mean to you? For the Imperial hero, if you have a human hero, that means this hero is good for attacking other castles or other players, because the focusing power, it will be on its attack and it is stamina, and for that it will give your troops or your army the ability for attack. The other hero is the orc hero, like this one. This hero is good with the agility and the stamina. That means the armor is good and the health is good or higher than the power. This hero should be used in defenses. Don't get me wrong, you can use it as well in the battlefield, but if you have other heroes that with the same color and the same superiority, then I think you should use the other hero with the human race for the attacking, and use this one for defenses, your castle. The third one is the chaos hero, and the chaos hero focuses its power on attack and agility. That means the chaos hero is good for attacking the server troops, because you need speed, the agility translated to speed, and the power is as attack. So you should use it for attacking the server troops like caves or castles, villages, dark kingdom as well. That hero will be good for that. Now let's talk about today's tutorial. We will talk about how we will improve our hero and how we will make it stronger by using the fortifier stones. The fortifier stones, three colors, which is red, blue and yellow. So you get them when you do missions and you just accumulate them. You can get them by using the stones, the small stone that you get, if you accumulate 3 of them, you go to mission, then you go to daily, and from daily the last one is small crystals or small stones. If you have 3, you will get as well 3 fortifier stone. Actually they are randomly, and that's when you have the blue, red and yellow. So today I played and I accumulated a little bit of the fortifier stone, and I will show you how to improve and what's the benefit if you improve one item and use it. Today I will improve the weapons for my hero, and for that we will see how this will help our hero attack and strength. First I will remove let's take the first hand, and then by clicking on enhance I can have, you see, one of the things that you should know, that if you enhance your weapon or your equipment, then you just demolish it, the enhancement will be saved for you for using it in the next time. That means whenever you enhance something to a good quality, level 4, 5 or whatever level, and you decided to demolish this item or this equipment, then you will get some copper coins and you will get your fortifier stone saved, so you will never lose them, and that is good because you need them when you upgrade and you don't need the smaller items. Let's go and enhance one and see what will happen. This is success, and you can go as much as 9 times, but it is every time the computer will calculate it, it will be harder to get. You see, now I get failed and I go back to level 1. There's one item that you can use if you have some gold coins, and that item can help you stay in the same rate that you are now. Now I am level 2. If I use the amulet, that will give me a rate 10% success, and if I will lose, it will not go back to 0. And this amulet costs 30 coins. For me as a beginner, I don't need some coins now, but if you guys like to buy some coins, this will help you tremendously winning fast your battles. So let's see, we upgrade one more time and hopefully it will go to the blue. You see, now I have 3 successfully. I will get 1 blue, hopefully. Now this is 1 blue, so now I am in level 4. Let's use this one and see where it, and I get from 3000 attack point to 6000. Let's get the other one, the second hand, and I will use the already done fortifier stone. You see, from now it will go to level 5 directly and it will never be failed. Now it is level 5. Let's remember, now I am 4800 attack point. If I will use this one, let's see how much. Remember, it was 6000, now it's 8000. So this will help you tremendously for upgrading your equipment, and you can go for all the other items one by one. As much as you have the red and blue fortifier stones, you just use them. The other thing that I want to show you today is a lot of players ask me about how I will use the hammers and how we can build a new item from the demolished item. Unfortunately, I couldn't get all the item to show you in the white color items, but I get some blue colors items, so I will start with the white and continue the same idea to the blue. I have this shoes. If I click on it, I can break it. You say this is a breakup, so I can break the item with the hammer. It said you need a white stone breaking hammer. I will confirm it because I have the hammer, and you see I get a fragment, level 1. Now I have this fragment, and if you have this fragment come because the equipment that I demolish or break up was level 1. But let's say if I have equipment that level 4 or level 5 that I don't need, and I have a lot, or maybe level 3 enough as well, I can gain the fragment level 2. Now let's say that we demolish a 1 blue item and we get fragment 1, and demolish another blue item and I get a fragment 2. What can I do with these fragments? I can combine them to gain a new item. How I can do that? By clicking on recast. You can see here I have the white set, I have the green sets, and I have the blue sets and purple set, and the last one is the Zeus set. Every one of these I can use for the equipment as well. I have all the equipment: hat, cape, gloves, armor, pants, shoes, earring, necklace, ring, jewels, weapon for the first hand, weapon for the second hand, and the shield. So let's say I want to do weapons for the second hand, and you can see that I have the blue equipment, so I can go here. You can see why I choose the weapon second hand, because the weapon in the first hand I need 2 of the item fragment and I have only 1, so I cannot build this weapon. But the second hand, on the other hand, I can build it because it's 1 and 1 and 1. I have all the equipment is here. So let's now build it, and you can see now what happened. I gain the superior confession and the other equipment is demolished, and now I have the superior confession dagger second hand, and you can see it is without a level, but it is 389. So you can see now that I can change this dagger with my level 5 dagger and see what will happen. I will remove it first and I will demolish it. You can see if I will just put it in here, so you can see my my copper coins. I will demolish it. It will tell me that I will have the 40 firestone level 5 still there and 12 copper coins. Of course, you gain that every color is a higher copper coins. Now let's see, my dagger is 389. If I use it as it will be now 8700. Remove it and let's enhance it to level 5 and see what will happen. Now let's see, and that is level 5, and we put level 5 back, and you can see now it is 11,600. So that's how you gain attack points for your hero, and you can gain as much as you can for the other items. If you have any questions, I think the help can give you all the information that you need, because in the item section you have all the items and every item with the equipment. You have all the places, all the equipment, and all the sets name and how much it is if you enhance it. And this is give you tremendous help, because it will give you if your hero is a human or orc or cows, it is which color, Viscount, Earl, Marquis, Duke or God, and if it is inferior, common or superior. The help, guys, is very good for you if you have any question. Otherwise, you can contact me, mail me here, or you can mail service@gamevillage.com. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.